Welcome to miniOrange. Today we are going to set up single sign-on in WordPress using Auth0 as an IDP. Log into your WordPress admin account. Click on Plugin on the menu bar on the left-hand side. Now click on the Add New button. Search for SAML in the search bar. Now install the miniOrange plugin for single sign-on. And click on Activate. We have successfully installed miniOrange plugin, which is on the menu bar on the left-hand side. Select Auth0 as your IDP. Click here to open Setup Guide. Let's configure the Auth0 IDP. Log into your Auth0 dashboard. Click on Applications. Then click on Create Application. Enter a name for the application as per your choice, and select Regular Web App and click on Create button. Select the Add-ons tab. Enable SAML 2 option in the add-ons. It will open up a configuration window. To get the application callback URL, go to Service Provider Metadata tab. Copy the ACS URL and paste it over here. Uncomment the audience and recipient URL. To get the audience URL, copy the SP entity ID and paste it over here. To get the recipient URL, copy the ACS URL and paste it over here. Scroll down and uncomment the name identifier format and name identifier probes. And uncomment the email address claims for name identifier probes. Save the application by clicking on the Enable button. Click on Usage tab. And download the Identity Provider metadata file. Go to your Service Provider Setup tab in the miniOrange plugin. To configure Service Provider, click on Upload IDP metadata. Write Auth0 as your IDP name. Click on Choose File to upload the downloaded metadata. And click on Upload. Your identity provider details are saved successfully. Scroll down. Click on Test Configuration. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Auth0 with your WordPress site. Now let's see how to add a miniOrange login widget for single sign-on. On the menu bar on the left-hand side, click on Appearance, then Widgets. Select Login with Auth0 and then click on Add Widget. In title put Login with Auth0. And click on Save. Now let's see how this feature works. Go to your WordPress site homepage and scroll down. You can see the widget we added for single sign-on. Click on Login with Auth0. You will be redirected to your Auth0 login page. Log in with your Auth0 credentials. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your WordPress using Auth0 as IDP. Check out our premium version of the plugin, which includes features like attribute mapping, role mapping and many more. And it also supports add-ons like SCIM user sync, page restriction, etc.